Morning everyone, it's Sarah from Gardening in Botswana, and today we are going to go and have a look for the Lippia javanica plant, or Musukudu, and we're going to make a tea from it as well. So let's go. So this morning I'm coming to pick some Lippia javanica, which is also known as fever tea, because it has a lot of different medicinal properties. Excuse the cat entering the picture. I'm just going to pick some fresh leaves now. You can actually also use dried leaves and stems. And I'm just going to make a tea with them. So I think, let's just get some here. Probably better to have brought my secateurs, but anyway. Okay, so I have a few of these lovely leaves and stems, which I'm going to now go and infuse in a tea. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly clip the flowers off, some of them. Don't have to, but the book does actually say just the leaves and stems, so I'm going to follow what the book says because I don't really know. Never done this before, but it says it's a general tonic for coughs and that sort of thing, and a cold. So I'm going to put some of them in this one so that you can see them steeping, and I'm going to put some of them in my favorite little teapot here. Okay, and I've just boiled some water, so I'm going to pour that one, some water in there. Won't need too much. And in there. Okay, and I'll just press those down there. Going to steep that. I'm going to leave that for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes have passed. Looks nice. I'm going to pour that in here. Great. Let's see how that looks. And what I would recommend everyone to get is this beautiful book here. So I'm just going to now have a drink of it. It actually smells really lovely and herby, beautiful. And it tastes really nice too. It's got a lovely aroma. I don't know what it's like, I could liken it to, but it's lovely. And so, not promoting that you all drink it, but I'm just showing you what to do if you want to drink it. And its Botswana name is Musukudu. So it's Lippia scabarima, which is Musukujan, and Lippia javanica, which is what this is Musukudu. So hopefully this has enlightened anyone who wants to learn about drinking local teas. Cheers!